Okay. Doing this. What is this? Dirty Harry's thing? NBSP here doing commentary again. The guy got his arms blown off. What the hell? You can't shoot? Oh, you didn't reload. That happens. There you go. God, yo, they made ghouls ugly. Yeah. Huh? Kinda sucks though, the last video had a really funny death. You gotta clip out that death and at least keep it, because that was hilarious. Damn. It jumped from 60 to 80% in like minutes. Yeah. You know there's a cover system for this game, right? I have no clue. All I know is you stand behind a wall and pull out your gun and it just does it on its own. I really don't know how to get it to work on its own though. It's weird. It's happened to me a couple times on accident and it ends up messing up my shot every time. So I'm like ready to shoot the guy. If I pull around the corner, I get my gun ready and then it does it itself and I'm like, oh, what the fuck? I get hit a couple times before I realize it did it itself. And I'm walking to the outside of the... Well, walking away from the wall because I was trying to move by myself. Decisions. Dun dun dun.
Gotta cut that jet, I guess.
Huh?
Getting paranoid. Nothing here. Keep your eyes open. Think this asshole's using a stealth boy.
Yeah.
Move! Playing games with me, huh?
Sorry about that. At least I came back to that. And the dog's humping him. Wow. No, leave that one. That one's staying in. I gotta leave. You gotta leave that one. That was funny. Oh wow, that was some bullshit.
I'm pissed off. I'm angry as fuck.
That was great. What the fuck? You got to watch him move out of the way. Oh my god, man. That was ridiculous, bro. You got fucking... You got the gun to the face. I can't believe he killed you that way, man. That was pretty fucked. Hardest difficulty, man. Hardest difficulty. Yeah, you get better drops. You just drank radiated water. I know, you're trying to give the dog a stem pack. You're getting shot at. That was pretty stupid. Somebody like fell in on himself. Holy shit, there's a lot of them, bro. They're like all coming through the door. Nice. Huh? That's perfect. Just burn them all. I think you got them. The rest of them are inside. He's twitching. He's a twitcher. Every time you keep drinking radiator water. I like how it shows you drinking the water instead of it like magically climbing up your body or something.
Time's up.
Oh. You really should have just aimed at him yourself. How did his head fall off? You saw that, right? Nope, he's walking along. He probably just killed the dog. Close the door and a Molotov hit him.
Oh, hell no.
Actually, that's a good idea. They should be distracted right now. That probably would have been your best bet to get in there. By the way, I don't know what it is, but I think radiation storms can happen in this game. Because there are areas that I went to that were not radiated, that were radiated after, like, weird green clouds covered them. It's pretty crazy. Awesome, you did it. You gotta save soon, though. So in case you get hit in the face with a gun again, you don't die. Oh shit, or a Molotov. You got people throwing Molotovs at you. And ghouls. Jesus, what the fuck is going on here, man? Huh. The dog bit its arm off from the ground. Got this, man. Finally doing it. It's fucking raiders. Mostly shit. Oh, skeletons in the fridge. It's a weird place to keep your skeletons. I mean, they don't need to be cold at any point unless they're trying to harvest bone marrow. What if they're harvesting bone marrow? There's a lot of money on the black market for that. Well, I think there is. I don't know. Maybe. The wasteland market.
Who? Who's there?
You should save, dude. I'm telling you. Huh? You shot the gun out of her hand and disintegrated her. You should save soon, man. I'm telling you, there's a lot of stronger people over here. Whoa, your dog, wow. Huh. Oh, dude, I killed somebody. I was, searching something. I turned around and some bitch is running straight at me. I shot her 4 times in the stomach. She falls down and slams face first into a table after I jump out of the way. I was like, wow, I wish I was recording, but my fucking NVIDIA is being stupid. GeForce keeps giving me red X and I can't fix it. The only other solution is to keep uninstalling and reinstalling until it stops. God, yeah, I'm gonna actually try to find something new to use instead of NVIDIA GeForce. This shit's getting annoying. For a free service, it's really shitty. They might as well serve you a plate of shit. Fucking hell. Landmines. Be careful of landmines.
You guys got me stirred up over nothing.
Everybody else is upstairs, isn't they? Or isn't they? Aren't they? I don't know why I said isn't they. That's another thing I hate about the dog, man. I told you, he gets in the way sometimes. There's been a few times where I had to go through a door and it was like mission vital, and the dog was standing right in front of the door. So I had to walk away, get the dog to move, and then come back. And it's just like, are you serious, dog? You could just command him to go somewhere else, but I don't feel like going through that complicated-ass command shit, because then the dog decides to finally move when you do it, so you're not even looking at him anymore. Don't take the elevator. You can't, it's not a bad idea, the boss is upstairs. You only have to kill their boss, and you can get out of there. By the way, there's like probably 6 people out there. If all of them see you, you'll have to fight all of them. Buddy's shooting the wrong direction. What the fuck's he doing? Huh? He did not know where you were. Yeah, you might have chosen a bad time to run in there. I'm telling you, man, you should save. It'd be horrible to die here and have to redo the video. Yeah, he really is hiding behind that turret. Get him. The dog's holding him. Or was holding him. Nice. You can wear his armor, by the way. They actually wear armor. Did you know that? There are armor types in this game? It's armor, though, man. That's strength. I don't like how it looks either. Oh, I'm wearing the same thing too. That's funny. Spiked armor. I have the same thing. You gotta go kill the boss. He's upstairs. After you kill him, come back down and you can get inside there. There should be some guns and weapon in there, because I got some guns and weapon. Oh, you already got the key. Never mind. Oh no, some guy gave it to you, wasn't it? You sure?
That's it.
Can't remember where you get the key from. I remember getting in here, but I don't remember where I got the key from. I think you missed one. To the right. The sack. The sack. Search the sack. Oh, there's nothing in it? Alright. See, I have a 9mm with a sight on it. A not holographic, a laser sight on it. They actually put some badass sights in this game. Oh, my Fallout's finally finished installing too. Check this shit out. Awesome.
Got it.
Damn, it sent me back a little bit. I didn't save how far I got when the power went out for me. That was some bullshit, man. I was pissed. Yo, if you want to come see a laser rifle, what they look like now, I have it up. I'm bringing up my game right now. Now that it's finally been reinstalled again.
Pack it in, boys. There's nothing out there.
Alright, here we go. Have you saved yet? Oh wow, they even have automatic laser pistols. That's badass. Yo, Theo, come see this.
Nice.
Alright. Let me shut this off then. I'll wait till we finish that. Since I'm not gonna save, I'm gonna shoot this gun a few times. Just fuck it. It's too hardcore of a gun to just not shoot for fun. So beautiful, these semi-automatic laser weapons, man. They really did a good job with this game. This really makes me ask why the other ones were so, Okay, you're outside. By the way, you don't have to go here. You need to go back inside. probably should have just done it yourself. There you go. Go back inside, man. You gotta go kill their boss. No, you don't have to. You just gotta kill their boss. Yeah, I did the same thing, though. I killed all of them. Fuck it. They don't deserve it. Did you go through the front? You haven't seen the front? There's a lot of them out in the front of the place as well. I like how this game gives you options to, like, actually find areas to sneak into their base and everything. You really should have just aimed yourself. You got a rank for missing. Something for missing. Oh, there's a guy all the way up top on the tower. No, 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 to your right. Up there. There's a guy up there shooting at you that you'll probably never be able to hit. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, yeah, you have the snipers. I keep forgetting about that. There you go. Yeah. Thank God you don't hold sniper rifles like New Vegas. It's like as if you didn't know what the fuck you were doing. You just wobble it everywhere like an idiot. Nice. The one thing they never use is step packs. That's Raider's scum, man. That thing's doing like little no damage on him. Oh, you have 700 rounds. You're straight. You could sit here all day shooting at his ass. Holy fuck. They are trying to kill you. Damn. Now you gotta go back inside. Shit. Yeah, now you gotta find a way back in. These are the people I was talking about, by the way. There's a lot of them down here, so be careful. They also have a way to get down there from up top. That's what really starts messing you up. That's a Raider scum, man. It's not doing much damage, but your dog saved your ass. Your dog just saved your ass. Yeah. I hate those damn turrets, man. They're everywhere in this game, too. You know, one thing in this game that's an extreme pain, this game forces you to, like, buy health power-ups all the time. Because everything is so strong. Yeah, exactly, especially on this. I like that, though. I like how this game isn't easy as hell. If this game was too easy, it wouldn't be fun. Jesus, that is taking a lot of shots. Damn. Took a minute. It's ridiculous. That's a spotlight. Watch out for that one. It should be up top. Your dog's gonna give it off, though. Oh, it's on you, bro. The spotlight, man. Above you. Oh, shit.